that's what, let's see, 11 years of dust. That looks like a crime scene. This little dish belonged to your great-grandmother. All right, so it's really hot out today, so I'm in the basement and I'm back in one of the storage areas that we just went through real quick while the dumpster was here and got rid of some stuff. And yeah, there's more stuff to get rid of. But I'm cleaning the floors and I need to move some of our stuff in here. That, my gosh, that looks like a crime scene. Yeah, we'll get that cleaned up. But one of the things is they have that central vac system. And I saw the cleaning schedule of when they emptied it. So yeah, they started out really good. Looks like the last date it was emptied was in 2013. So I opened up the clamps, scared the you-know-what out of me. But that's what, let's see, 11 years of dust looks like. And I'm pretty sure that was the first 11 years. Hey, Joe, maybe I'll put you on the schedule for like next week, huh? Well, it may not look a whole lot cleaner in here, but it is, trust me. Clean enough that I actually feel okay going barefoot, which I wouldn't before. So now I'm going to start putting some of our stuff in. I figured out, they put some kind of sealer around the edge of the basement, and that's what that was. When I got it wet, it was exactly like that. So that makes me feel a little bit better. So now I'm just sorting through, and we got more Goodwill boxes, and we got more of our stuff to put away. That's just that end. How about that end? Wow, I actually found the back corner of the basement that was piled full. But this was going to be an area that we were going to put an extra twin bed in case we needed it. So at least I got that far. Oh, look at that. See, it's like you move one thing to another place and another place, and then it multiplies by the time you turn around. A lot of that stuff on the wall there, or on the floor there, needs to go on the wall, but I'm not doing anything on the wall until I can get this stuff painted. And I couldn't paint it till I could get to it. So you know how that one thing depends on another. So at least I got this open. I need to get some paint, and at least I can paint this and we can set up this area. And then my next room, I think, is going to be this little bedroom right here. Wow. Well, that took many hours to get that cleaned out. And finally got to be able to sweep it, vacuum it. Other than having it cleaned before we moved in, we haven't been able to do anything with it. So now at least I can start patching up all the holes in the walls. I don't know why, but they seem to love these hook things here. They're everywhere. Luckily, they come out pretty good. This stuff here is just going to be, like I said, that extra little bedroom back here. And then I cleaned out this room because I thought, well, I should probably do this room first. So at least if somebody's here, they have a separate bedroom. So I'll work on that. I got to get some paint. Between the blue carpet and the blue walls, I don't think it's going to be blue anymore. But anyway, the vacuum seemed to work, so I'm sure it's 11. Don't worry, that was just my cleaning fluid that spilled out of the bucket. So I'm sure it's loving the cleaner dust bag and the empty collection. I did find one kind of cool thing. Let me show you. So in one of the boxes, I found a dish, and it was one of the boxes left over, and it said, "This little dish belonged to your great-grandmother Eakins, Lynn, I think. It is called chartreuse glass." So if anybody knows about chartreuse glass, apparently it's old. It's kind of cute. All right, well, that's it for today. It's Sunday afternoon, and I got other things to do. But based on the piles here, I think it was pretty successful. All right, we'll catch you later.